Hi there! Today I'll share with you the top 6 reasons as to why it's best for us call center agents to apply during bear months like September, October, November, and December. If you are looking for a job right now, make sure to watch this video until the end so as for you to feel inspired and motivated to land a job during this time of the year. Let's begin. Number one reason kung bakit ideal mag-apply sa BPO ngayong bear months ay dahil sa increased hiring activity due to peak season. Ibig sabihin, sobrang ramping or hiring po talaga ang mga BPO companies during peak season dahil meron tayong tinatawag na holiday rush. So tuwing bear months like September, October, November at December, maraming customer inquiries niyan at as in sobrang dami talaga, especially sa retail, e-commerce, banking, pati na rin sa telecom. Ibig sabihin, kung marami or kung hiring yung mga BPO companies, mas mataas yung chance na ma-hire ka as a call center agent compared sa kung mag-a-apply ka sa mga buwan ng January, February, March at iba pa. Other reason is yung tinatawag nating pre-holiday preparation. Ang mga BPO companies kasi ay nag-hire sila a few months before yung bear months or usually around September, October, and November in preparation para sa peak season which is yung December. So by December, yung mga agents ay well-equipped and trained enough na to handle calls. Number 2 reason why it's best for you to look for a job during bear months, especially in BPO, is because of potential incentives and bonuses. So, for example, sa VXI ngayon, hiring sila and I believe there is a 30,000 pesos signing bonus kapag nakapasa ka sa final interview nila. And guess what? This is something that doesn't happen ng buong taon. Nangyayari lang ito usually tuwing bear months. And I myself, I usually refer people then who are interested to join in the BPO industry tuwing bear months dahil meron ding kaming mga benefits na natatanggap. For example, kapag naka-refer ako ng isang agent, for example, nakapasa siya sa final interview, meron akong matatanggap na either 10,000 pesos, 20,000 pesos, or groceries worth 5,000 pesos or 10,000 pesos. So, that is per person. So, for example, nakapag-hire ako ng 5 agents. So, that's 50,000 pesos agad. Kung tig 10,000 man ang bigayan or 100,000 pesos agad-agad kapag ka 20,000 pesos ang bigayan. And I remember now, there was a time when I was able to let an agent, finish the final interview. She got the job offer and I got that 20,000 pesos in return because of that. So this is an advantage for all of those who are looking for a job and also an advantage na rin for existing call center agents kasi that is another way to make money on the side. Another thing ay nag-o-offer din ng mga BPO companies usually ng mas mataas na incentives, especially sa mga sales account during peak season. Kasi nga, 'di ba, usually holiday rush, maraming umu-order niyan. So, pag na-hit mo yung quota mo, then meron kang mas mataas na incentives during that time of the year. Therefore, I highly recommend na mag-apply ka during bear months. And also, di ba, bigayan din ng 13th month pay. So, kahit na-hire ka ng September, meron ka pa rin matatanggap by December. Tapos, meron pang Christmas gifts or Christmas bonus. Like, pwede kang bigyan nila ng, kami dati, binibigyan kami ng ham, ng spaghetti, like Christmas package ba na pwedeng gawing panghanda. So, that's another way. And also, there are times then na yung VXI, pasensya na kayo, VXI lang alam ko kasi doon ako dati, nag-o-offer sila ng free ride sa mga willing mag-apply, nag-o-offer sila ng 500 pesos, for example, kapag nakapasa ka sa initial interview. Sa initial interview pa lang yan, ha? It doesn't mean na ipasa mo yung buong final interview. So, parang hindi talaga sayang yung pagpunta mo kapag nag-apply ka during bear months. Kaya, I really suggest na, mag-apply ka during bear months kung jobless ka as of the moment. Number 3 na reason kung bakit ideal mag-apply sa BPO during bear months ay dahil sa less competition among job seekers. So, karamihan kasi sa atin ay bear months, diba? So, ayaw natin mag-apply, gusto natin chill-chill lang tayo. Yung iba sa atin may mindset na new year, new work. So, like January na ako mag-start ng application ko para January na ako magkaroon ng magandang mindset yung as early as bear months ay nag-start ka ng mag-work dahil mas konti yung magiging kalaban mo or kakompetensya mo kumpara sa kung mag-a-apply ka during January kasi sobrang dami din talagang applicants niya na hindi muna nag-apply, especially yung mga fresh graduates. Pinipili nilang hindi muna mag-apply during this time of the year tapos by next year na sila maghahanap ng trabaho. So, less competition means more chances of landing a job. Number 4 reason why it's best or ideal for you to look for a job during bare months is because of budget allocation set by each company. So, usually kasi meron tayong year-end budget for companies, diba? So, either you lose it or you use it. So, most companies would just use it by spending it in, hiring individuals na pwedeng makatulong sa kanila to grow the company. So, dahil nga merong mga specific budget, for example, maraming natirang budget for the year 2024, iaalat nila yon sa pag-hire ng marami pang tao. And yun yung reason kung bakit minsan sobrang bilis nilang mag-decide ng i-hire nila, ng mga i-train nila. Hindi sila picky, like kahit newbie ka, ipapasa ka talaga nila kasi kailangan nila ng tao nga to accommodate the needs sa peak season and at the same time para din magamit nila yung pondo na nakaset aside for that year. And normally, nag-hire din talaga sila during bare months in preparation para sa susunod na mga buwan. So, for example, kailangan by January ay kumpleto tayo, puno yung team natin. So, ngayong December pa lang, ngayong November pa lang, mag-hire na tayo ng agent. So, ganun yung mindset ng mga big companies like that of BPO. So, I really recommend applying for a job during this time of the year. Number 5 reason why it's best for you to look for a job during bare months is because of flexibility in shifts. Kasi may mga companies na sobrang hiring sila to the point na nag-o-offer na sila ng remote setup or work from home setup. So kung ikaw yung tao na naghahanap ng work from home setup, bare months is the best month for you to look for a job kasi maraming nag-o-offer ng work from home setup kasi nga in-expand nila yung company nila or yung business nila. So for example, hindi na kasya sa production floor yung mga tao, instead of utilizing the production floor at mag-rent pa sila ng production floor, they would instead let their employees work at home para may sarili silang office, may sarili silang space, and I believe mas makakatipid sila sa ganon. And there are also times na nag-o-offer ng flexible na shifts yung mga BPO companies. Unique yung schedule sa mga ganitong pagkakataon, especially during holiday season like Christmas or New Year. Pero may mga benefits ka rin namang matatanggap, just like yung double pay or minsan nga natatapat pa triple pay. Tapos bukod doon may mga raffles pa yan at may mga pakulo din talaga sa production floor during Christmas season. So hindi ka talaga malulugi kasi may free food and etc. Sa last video ko nga na-share ko na meron ako napanalo ng raffle dati at dahil yon sa pumasok ako during Christmas. So, diba, kung hindi ako pumasok that time, hindi ko matatanggap yung ganong raffle. Lastly, ay kapag nag-apply ka sa BPO during peak season tapos na-hire ka, ibig sabihin, mas maganda yung laman ng resume mo by the time na dumating yung susunod na taon. So, for example, gusto mong punta sa ibang BPO company after mo maka 6 months sa current company mo, then mas malaki yung chance na ma-hire ka kasi nga meron ka ng experience as compared doon sa mga call center agents or mga newbies na nag-start pa lang mag-apply ng January. Those are the top 6 benefits that you will be able to take advantage if you're going to apply during bare months. And ako personally, hindi talaga ako nag-apply ng bare months kaya hindi ko na-experience yung ganito. Pero if I am going to apply sa BPO, then BPO someday perhaps, then I would make sure na bare months ako mag-a-apply kasi pwede kong applyan lahat ng mga BPO companies, pwede kong i-take advantage yung mga ino-offer nila, yung mga signing bonuses, so pwede na rin yung mga medyo mataas na offers as compared sa mga regular na buwan. So yeah, I hope nakatulong tong video sa'yo. Make sure to like this video if you liked it, subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. If you have video suggestions, feel free to leave that down in the comment section below. I'll talk to you next time. Bye!